Welcome to our tutorials on Adobe Spark. For this tutorial, we are going to be looking at creating a web page. Okay, so if you click on the plus and go to web page. Now, what I would like you to do is I want you to have a look at sustainability. Okay, so at the moment, we've got a lot of problems in the world about a lot of our resources are running out, and we should really be having a look at how we can protect the world that we live in. Right, so there's a really nice project called the Down to Earth project. Okay, so the website is here. This will allow you to have a look at how you can actually create buildings, how you can use things like solar panels, how you can reuse things like cockle shells to create paths, and that helps with drainage. Okay, so once we're on our page, we've got sustainability, and I've added my main page and my subheading. Okay, so it's looking a bit plain at the moment. So I've collected some images about Down to Earth. Now this is the Down to Earth project. So this building is made out of trees and recycled windows. And the walls are made out of what's called cob. So that's a combination of things like mud, and you've got straw, and it's got like a limestone kind of paint over it, which will then make sure that it is, it is safe and secure for about 300 to 400 years. But it will cost probably about £200 to create this whole building. Okay, so we've done our first page. We can then add some more information. So we can go and have a look. If we want, we can go and get a video of YouTube. And we can actually just embed it. We clicked on the video and it will embed the video that you find on YouTube. Nice and simple. Every time you create a new page, you just press plus and you can create a page of text. So what would you like to put on there? Okay, sustainability is where renewable resources are used instead of resources which are running out. I can add more images. Okay, so this is actually the Down to Earth building. I was lucky enough to go to this building this week. You can see we've got a building with solar panel on the roofs. We've also got grass on the roofs. All of the buildings are made using cob. You've got the toilet area, which actually it collects rainwater from the tops of the buildings. It collects it into a big tank, and the toilets are actually flushed using rainwater. Same with the washing of the hands. They've got hand basins which you actually use your foot to allow the water to come out, and that means that nobody can forget to put the water off, and it means that less water is being used. So it'll only activate when you put your foot on the panel. So lots of amazing things. All their paths are made out of cockle shells. Now cockles obviously are collected and quite common, especially in seaside towns, and the cockle shells really would go to waste, so they are given to the company and they use them for their paths, and this allows really good drainage. So unlike tar, where the water would cause a lot of runoff, the water will just sink into the cockle shells and it'll make sure that there are no flooding problems. Right, lots of amazing things. So here is the Down to Earth site. Okay, I won't write anymore. All right. Okay, so we've now got our nice front page on our website. We've got a nice embedded video from YouTube. We've got a nice picture showing the site. What else can we do on the next page? We can just do a photo grid. So you can collect a load of your photos and put them in together. And you can just keep uploading photos. We've got a stock of photos, so we can have a look. We've got a stock of photos, so we can have a look for sustain. Alright, so we've got lots of lovely pictures about plants and replanting. And we can just add in and to do our little collage. Okay, so it's very, very simple to do. Okay, so when you want to check it, you'll just press play. And let's have a look. So that's that page. We start from the beginning. So this is our web page. And you can see how within a matter of minutes it has started to build up. And you can see obviously this is got credits to who've taken some of the photos down the bottom. Okay, right, let's see what you can do. Teach us about sustainability. Alright, so if you wanted to share, then you can just publish a link, sustainability, you can say who the owner is, you can change the credits and add your name into it. Your project may be featured on the Adobe Spark website, obviously that's completely up to you. Pick a category, what is this, so it's for education. And you then can create a link. Once you've created your link, you're able to then copy it. And if I put it into the website up the top, I can send this to people. You can upload it onto Teams or Google Classroom. You can send it to your teacher. You can send it to your friends and family for them to have a look. Very easy to get it checked, get some feedback on it, make some improvements. Okay, so here you can see this is our run website. That is what has been created in just a matter of minutes.